In this video, I will show you how to make a tomato face mask with honey to get your skin freed of acne and super flawless. You can use tomato juice alone as an astringent to minimize pores and revive dull skin, or you can apply tomato juice and honey to treat acne areas and reduce oiliness. First step, you need to cut in half a fresh tomato. You have two options: rub the tomato juice straight on your skin for about 1 minute, or grate a small amount of the tomato, add a few drops of honey, and apply on areas where you have acne. So in my case, I get acne on my chin or forehead and sides of my face. Either way, leave it on for 15 minutes.
You'll know when it's ready when this happens to you.
Rinse your face with a mild cleanser and cold water for better results. You can use this daily or 2 times a week.
As you guys can see, it is very bright and it's glowing some areas, and my hands are so soft. You do this at night and you're definitely going to wake up with such a beautiful skin, glowing, perfect. I hope you guys like it, enjoy, subscribe if you want to be part of this organic family. Thank you so much. I wanted to do that, but I was talking at the same time. Thank you so much for supporting me and for watching at this point, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Pura Vida!